Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your tickets on Tickpick quickly and safely. First, log into your Tickpick account on the website or mobile app. Once logged in, go to your My Tickets section and select the event for which you want to transfer tickets. Next, click on the Transfer Tickets or Send Tickets option. Enter the recipient's name and email address carefully. This is who will receive the tickets. After that, review the ticket details and confirm the transfer. Tickpick may send a verification email or code to ensure security, so check your inbox and follow the instructions. Once completed, your recipient will get an email with the tickets, and you'll see a confirmation in your Tickpick account that the transfer was successful. And that's it. Transferring tickets on Tickpick is safe, fast, and super easy. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Tickpick tips